The price of the Oppo Reno 10 series is finally out and we'll be talking about that in a moment also. And first of all, the Oppo Reno 10 series are coming into three variants, which is the Reno 10, 10 Pro and the 10 Pro Plus. Now the flagship Oppo Reno 10 Pro and the 10 Pro Plus will be coming with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Android 13 out of the box and supporting up to 3 years of major OS upgrades and 4 years of security patch. Now what you also need to know about this smartphone is that they both will be coming with a curved display and a 120Hz of high refresh rate and an AMOLED display. Now the triple camera setup is present in this phone, and in the Pro Plus you will be getting a 64 megapixel of a periscopic camera with OIS support and the ultra wide camera of 8 megapixel and the primary camera of a major 50 megapixels. Now the phone can also shoot 4K at 30 and 60 FPS, and you can also get a OIS and gyro EIS support in the smartphones, and the phone comes with a stereo speakers setup. Whereas if we talk about the Oppo Reno 10, which is the vanilla variant, and its pricing are going to be starting at rupees 30,000 rupees in India, and the pricing is going to be a decent one for the Oppo Reno 10. And also the 10 Pro is going to be coming with a 40,000 and the 10 Pro Plus for the 50,000 rupees in India. Now the Oppo Reno 10 will be coming with a Snapdragon 778 Plus processor, and it's going to be coming with the 12 gigs of internal RAM, and it is going to be LPDDR5 RAM on all of the three phones. Now the UFS 3.1 storage is also present, but it will be present for over 256 gigs of internal storage only, as the 128 gigs of internal storage does not support the UFS 3.1. Now if we talk about the charging speeds and the capacity, then the phone are going to be powered by the SuperWhoop fast charging of 100 watts, and the charging speed and the battery capacity is going to be around a 4600 milliamp battery, and for the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus it will be coming with a 4600 milliamp battery. Now what do you think about these smartphones? Are you planning to buy it? Then these smartphones are launching in India in July itself, so do subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom for latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.